The list is long, 14 companies from the Nifty pack coming out with their numbers. So two questions. Firstly, any of the companies that you like from this whole list, because this has sectors like BFSI, like you were just highlighting, as well as autos, FMCG that has been doing pretty well for themselves. And going along from your radar, which are the stock picks that you have got for our viewers?
So I think the only stock which I would be keenly looking out for, of course, would be one would be Reliance Industries, and from the others large cap names, it's Ultratech Cement. I think both these charts are a lot more important for their respective sectors, as well as Reliance, of course, for the overall market sentiment. So I think these are the two counters specifically I would keep a watch on. In terms of individual stocks, the two recommendations which I would suggest at current levels, one would be, so both of them are from the mid-cap space. One is Apollo Pipe. That stock has confirmed a flag pattern breakout, just trading 600 mark. So would suggest a buy 620 as a target, stop loss to be kept at 590. And NCC has been one stock which has actually done exceptionally well in the last 2-3 months. Now trading about 110 plus levels, so keeping 110 as a stop loss would suggest a buy on NCC for a short-term target of 122.
Okay, so those are the top recommendations coming in from Kunal. Ajay, I know you usually don't talk stock specific, but is there any stock that you like at this point of time? Any fresh buys or any other stocks that come on your radar?
Banks. I would say what Kunal mentioned, private sector banks, public sector banks. India will continue to grow and banks will be at the forefront. Second would be industrial, so infrastructure related stocks. Pre-election year, normally you see industrials do well. And normally you see good spending coming in the economy. And as we get into early part of next year, as the election-related expenditure peaks, these stocks would have done well. So banks and industrials would be the first two picks. Within industrials, also cement, their input costs have been going down, and auto. Auto, I think this year we will see a pickup. The margins have improved. They've held up pricing while the inputs have been, the raw material costs have been going down. So these would be the top sectors to look at.
On that note, Ajay, we'll let you go. Thank you so much for joining us, and Kunal as well. Thank you so much for patiently waiting and talking to us about how the next week is likely to pan out. In fact, on that note, let's listen